Welcome to the Python coding exercise video. We are going to make a basic calculator which takes two numbers as inputs and makes the basic operations in this video. I'm going to show how output is going to look like in the next pages of the video, so you can try to do it by yourself or you can wait for making it together. I'm going to explain the code step by step when we get to the practical part of this video. Let's see how our output is going to look like. Here is the first look of our output when we run the code. It's going to ask that if we want to do a calculation or not. If we keep with y, which means yes, it will do our calculation. If we say n, which represents no, the program is going to be cancelled. Here is the full output of our calculator. We said y to the do you want to do a calculation question and it asked for two numbers. We gave 30 and 20 and it asked which operation do you want to do. We answered with plus and it returned our answer as 50. It asked once again that we want to do a calculation or not and we said no this time, so the program is stopped. That is the basic program that we are going to do today. Welcome to the practical part of our video. We are going to start by defining a variable as on. We are going to assign a boolean true there and we are going to create an infinite while loop with that. Now we are going to ask for, do you want to do a calculation, yes or no? Now we are going to write an if statement here. If user wants to do a calculation, then our calculator start working. In the other scenario, if user says no, then we are going to stop this while loop. So let's start by defining the else firstly. Our variable is going to be false, so our while loop is going to end. Now, in this part, we are going to take three inputs from the user. First number, second number, and operation. Okay, now we are going to do the operation that user wants by if statements. Now let's check how this works. We firstly start by creating an infinite loop and we ask for, do you want to do a calculation? Yes or no. If user says yes, we are going to run the calculator. If says no, we are going to break the loop. In the case that user says yes, we are taking 3 inputs, taking the operation sign that user wants to do, and we are doing the calculation and printing. Since we are in a while loop, after that our program is going to ask, do you want to do a calculation again when the operation ends. Okay, let's test it. Seems nice. That's our calculator. Let's do our tests. We are going to start testing by passing n firstly. It works well. Let's keep with our other example at the start. We will pass addition of 30 and 20. Seems nice. That was all for this video. There's a lot of ways to do a program. We could use other methods in our calculator. If you did the same calculator by different codes, you can share in the comments. I will be checking them. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.